Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to talk about birthmarks, its symptoms, causes and natural home remedy to get rid of it. Birthmarks are a common type of discoloration that appears on your skin at birth or during the first few weeks of your life. They are usually non-cancerous and they can occur anywhere on your face or body. Birthmarks may vary in size, shape, color and appearance. Some birthmarks are permanent and may get larger over time and others may fade away with time. Most birthmarks are harmless, but some may indicate a serious medical condition. In some instances, birthmarks can be removed for cosmetic reasons. Birthmarks come in different sizes, shapes and colors. No birthmark is same, but most common birthmarks are stork bite, which are red in color and appears on the back side of our neck and present in almost everyone. Second one is capillary stain birthmarks, which are flat and a very light reddish areas present on the forehead or eyelids. Third one is strawberry hemangiomas, which are raised bright red areas present anywhere on the body. Fourth one is port wine stain lesion, which are dark red flat areas often present on the face. Fifth one is cafe au lait spots, which are flat tan colored and increased pigmented areas present anywhere on the body. Sixth one is pigmented moles, which are dark brown or black pigmented raised areas present anywhere on the body. There are two main categories of birthmarks. First one is red birthmarks and second one is pigmented birthmarks. Red birthmarks are a vascular blood vessel type of birthmarks and pigmented birthmarks are the areas in which the color of birthmark is different from the color of the rest of the skin. Pigmented birthmarks might increase in size as the child grows. They changes color especially after the sun exposure and during the teen years as hormonal changes. They become itchy and might occasionally bleed. Symptoms of red birthmarks includes skin markings that develop before or shortly after birth, red skin rashes or lesions, skin markings that resembles blood vessels, possible bleeding and skin that might break and open. A birthmark is a blemish on the skin that is visible from birth or shortly afterward, and the researchers do not yet fully understand that why some babies have birthmarks and others do not. Some have hypothesized that a buildup of cells that line the blood vessel of infant may cause the strawberry marks to occur, but some doctors believe that a tiny piece of placenta may lodged inside the developing embryo very early in the pregnancy. If damage occurs to the nerves that control the widening and narrowing of capillaries, there is a chance of port wine stains, especially if the capillaries are permanently widened at one area. And also many experts believe that some proteins produced by the placenta during pregnancy may be linked to a higher chances of developing some types of birthmarks. Now let us talk about the natural and Ayurvedic remedy to get rid of the birthmarks. You need two ingredients to prepare the remedy. The first ingredient is 5 to 7 drops of olive oil. The second ingredient is 5 to 7 drops of lemon juice. The images of the ingredients is right on your screen and you can also check the description for other names of the ingredients. To use this remedy, put 5 to 7 drops of olive oil on birthmark and gently massage it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then put 5 to 7 drops of lemon juice on birthmark and apply it properly, but do not massage it. Then leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash the area with warm water and dry it with a towel. Use this remedy 3 to 4 times in a day. And while using this remedy, eat the foods enriched with vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E and selenium to make the remedy more effective. It will take 30 to 40 days to see the difference and take up to 6 months to reduce the birthmark up to 50%. and it will take up to 1 year to completely disappear the birthmark. Alright guys, hope you like the remedy. Please share it with your friends and don't forget to share the experience of using this remedy in comment section. And for more natural and Ayurvedic homemade remedies, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further remedies.